Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your engine air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that can improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. You will need a new air filter, which you can easily find at an auto parts store, and a clean rag. Always make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin any work under the hood. Now that you have located the air filter housing, it's time to open it up. You will typically see 4 to 6 metal clips around the edges of the black plastic box. Simply unlatch each of these clips. Once all the clips are released, gently lift the top portion of the housing. You might need to wiggle it slightly to free it from its seated position. With the housing open, you will see the old air filter. It will likely appear dirty, perhaps even dark gray or black, depending on how long it has been in use. Simply pull the old filter straight out. Take a moment to look inside the housing for any accumulated debris. Using your clean rag, wipe away any dust, leaves, or other particles to ensure a clean environment for your new filter. Now take your brand new, clean air filter. Carefully place it into the housing, making sure it sits flush and is oriented correctly. There is usually only one way it can fit properly. Once the new filter is securely in place, lower the top half of the air filter housing back down. Press firmly to ensure a good seal, then reattach all 4 to 6 metal clips to secure it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.